Welcome to your kitchen and bath update. My name is Shaun Ayala. In today's episode, we will be talking about 8 trends from the 2024 Houzz Kitchen Trends Study and what it means for builders, contractors, and interior designers. This episode is sponsored by Pacific Sales Kitchen and Home, a Best Buy company serving Southern California's kitchens, baths, outdoor spaces, and now total tech home solutions since 1960. The recently released 2024 Houzz Kitchen Trends Study offers a valuable glimpse into the evolving landscape of kitchen renovations. As builders, contractors, interior designers, and sales professionals, understanding these trends is not just a matter of keeping up, it's about aligning projects with the desires of clients. So let's explore 8 trends that was revealed in this 2024 Houzz Kitchen Trends Study. Number 1, open concept kitchens take center stage. The study reveals a return to open concept kitchens, fostering more socializing within the space. A significant 43% of respondents opted to make their kitchens more open to other indoor areas, with 64% of them removing a wall. So for builders and contractors, this indicates a growing demand for seamless integration and multifunctional spaces. Number 2, prioritizing organized storage. Functionality remains a top priority for homeowners, with organized storage solutions gaining popularity. Features like cookie sheet organizers, spice racks, and cutlery and utensil organizers have seen a 3% increase in popularity over the last year. So interior designers can leverage this trend to create aesthetically pleasing spaces that also maximize functionality. Number 3, bigger islands with seating. Kitchens are evolving into multifunctional hubs, evidenced by the strong trend towards larger islands with seating. Among renovators, 42% added islands 7 feet or longer, emphasizing the kitchen's role as a central space for various activities. So for builders, this trend signals the importance of designing spacious and versatile kitchen islands. Number 4, professional assistance remains key. An overwhelming 84% of homeowners sought professional help for their kitchen renovations. So for builders and contractors, this underscores the continued demand for expertise. General contractors and cabinet makers are the primary professionals hired, emphasizing the collaborative nature of kitchen projects. Number 5, light colors dominate. Light colors continue to dominate, especially on counters. White cabinets at 46% remain popular, along with wood options at 25%. A noteworthy trend is the differentiation of upper and lower cabinet colors, presenting opportunities for creative design approaches. So interior designers can play with color contrasts to meet diverse client preferences. Number 6, LED lighting and sustainability. LED lighting, recognized for sustainability and longevity, were featured in 91% of projects. So builders and contractors should consider incorporating recessed lighting, under cabinet lights, and pendant lighting, responding to the increasing demand for well-lit, energy-efficient kitchens. Number 7, cost considerations. The study notes an upward trend in kitchen remodeling costs. So for builders and contractors, understanding the median spend for major and minor remodels in your area provides crucial insights for project estimation and budget planning. And last, number 8, adapting to changing preferences. Glass doors and open shelves are on the decline, indicating a shift towards concealed storage. So interior designers can align their designs with this preference for a more streamlined and clutter-free look. So to end, as builders, contractors, and interior designers, staying attuned to these kitchen trends equips professionals with the knowledge needed to create spaces that resonate with clients' desires. And for sales professionals, it's just about understanding how to support clients and trade professionals leveraging these trends. So from open concept layouts to the internal light colors, these insights paved the way for innovative and client-centric kitchen designs. That's it for your KB update. If you found today's information informative, please hit that like, that follow, that subscribe button, or hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future episode. If you are listening to this from a podcast player, I would love a rating. Again, my name is Shaun Ayala, and I'll see you in your next KB update.